In this video, I'll be revealing 5 free tools that every YouTube creator should be using to streamline your workflow and achieve greater efficiency. As a YouTube creator, maximizing productivity is crucial for success, yet it is not uncommon to feel overwhelmed when you want to accomplish a lot of things in a limited time. Fortunately, there are simple yet powerful tools that you can use to enhance your productivity when creating YouTube videos. First things first, it is important to understand the importance of what you do as a YouTube creator. For instance, you should know more than 80% of internet users watch videos online, and you should also know more than 500 million hours watch YouTube videos every day. This means to stand out and grow your audience, you need to elevate the quality of your videos. These tools that I'm about to share have the potential to streamline your workflow, increase your efficiency, and enhance the productivity as a YouTube creator. The first top free tool that every YouTube creator should be using is TubeBuddy. And as a YouTube creator, you should have heard it by now. And you have seen some of my videos, I have been talking a lot about TubeBuddy because I am just obsessed with it. What I love about TubeBuddy is their keyword explorer. It gives out the best ideas, type of video ideas that you want to create for your audience to watch. Let me give you an example. If let's say you want to create video content on gardening tips. When you type gardening tips on the keyword explorer, TubeBuddy will give you the phrases that your audience are searching for. And from here, you find out that using gardening tips for beginners in 2023 is a much better title to use compared to just using the basic standard title. If you're using the free plan, you get 25 searches a day when you use the keyword explorer. If you plan to upgrade, which I highly recommend, you get unlimited searches. The paid plan is about US $5 a month, and if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you only pay 50% of that price. You definitely want to check it out. I've linked it down in the description below. The next top free tool is Canva to create your YouTube thumbnails, graphics, and to add in filler shots, or I call it B-roll shots. Canva has a whole range of templates that you can use to create your YouTube thumbnails because YouTube thumbnails is the first impression of your YouTube videos. It's like the window to your soul. On Canva, all you need to do is to search for YouTube thumbnails. You will get both paid and free templates. The free templates are good enough if you are just looking for simple design, but if you are on a pro account, you will get more access to better templates and elements. Other than YouTube thumbnails, you can create graphics like this. Look at my crown. Thank you. I am the queen of YouTube. So to create this kind of image, all you need to do is to create a blank canvas on Canva. Search for the graphic or elements in the search bar of the element function. Export the image as PNG and make sure you tick the transparent background. Take note that the transparent background is only applicable to Pro account, but if you're using the free account, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background. You can do the same thing, export the PNG. Once you export the PNG, go to remove.bg, upload your file, and boom, you have a transparent image. What I love about Canva as well is the ability to add in filler shots or B-roll shots. These clips are from Canva. You can simply go to Canva, create a new canvas with 16 by 9 size, go to videos and search for the clips that you want to add on. The third tool that I'm about to share is a little bit controversial. It is called ChatGPT. I know there are a lot of opinions about ChatGPT or AI in general, but I like to take it as complementing your journey as a YouTube creator. AI should be a tool to enhance the growth of your channel, not the backbone of your channel. So how do I use ChatGPT? I use ChatGPT to help me create better titles, get ideas for hooks, and also to enhance my YouTube descriptions. For example, the hook of this video, I get ChatGPT to help me rewrite. I copy the hook of this video and paste it on ChatGPT. I mean, look at that. It sounds more engaging. But most of the time, I will use TubeBuddy to help me think of a title. I will then copy-paste this title onto ChatGPT to give me more options. For example, Gardening Tips 101. I'm going to copy-paste this onto ChatGPT. It will then pull up 10 more other titles that may potentially get more clicks and definitely enhance your ideas. Another place I use for AIs is the Canva Write. So all you need to do is just create a new document on Canva. Add in the description that you need for the Canva Write to help enhance. You'll get a good pool of ideas from this as well. The fourth tool that every YouTube creator should be using is called Opus Pro to make your video content work harder. Opus Pro is such a lifesaver. Okay, I'm going to show you this awesome tool on how I repurpose my one long-form video content. So I have a YouTube link. All I need to do is to go to Opus Pro website, copy and paste my YouTube link, and voila! I don't get one or two, I get 10 short clips that I can straight away publish to my other social media platforms or download to publish later. This Opus Pro is using AI to generate 10 top quality short clips that you can upload on your social media platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and also Instagram Reels. It also gives you the score of the video, what does the video contain, and it also gives you a hook title that you can use on your social media platforms. On top of that, captions and emojis are all done for you in just one click. You can change the color, whether you want the captions to have all caps, or you want to have a split screen, which is especially good if there are more than one person on the video. I mean, if this is not a lifesaver, what is? I used to take about an hour to just skim through my long-form video content and cut all the short clips that I want to upload on my social media platforms. I need to add emojis, I need to add captions, but with Opus Pro, I get all those with just one click. Say what? The final tool that all YouTube creators should be using is called Handbrake. I mean, not literally the handbrake, but this handbrake is an open source video transcoder. It is available for download on multi-platforms like Mac, Windows, and also Linux. This tool is great if you want to optimize or compress the file size of your videos, but don't worry, it will not compress the quality of your videos. So if let's say your original video is 4K, when you want to compress the file size, make sure in the options of the built-in presets, you choose 4K as well. Now that you know my top 5 favorite tools, you can start scaling your YouTube channel. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button so that you can get more tips and insights about videos. While you wait for my next video, why not check out this conversation I had with Jade on how to grow your YouTube channel. You won't want to miss this. See you in the next one. Come on, Renee, this is just the hit subscribe and okay, one more time. Yeah. If you found this video useful,